Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I've created a very simple, a very Bollywood vibe Diwali makeup look, and I'm sure this one is going to be very handy because it didn't take a lot of time, and also I've used like only 4 to 5 products, not a lot, and this is not one look that will need like a lot of time of yours, because to be very honest, all of us don't really have a lot of time on Diwali because we are busy with so many things and we can't really sit down and do like a full face of makeup. This look you can actually do in 10 to 15 minutes or even less than that. And of course I've used the colors according to what I am wearing, but you can totally choose different colors and choose colors that are available with you. But you can actually, pick this vibe and this will look super gorgeous. This is super minimal, not too heavy. It looks really glam but is like really simple, realistic and doable. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy this look. Having said that, I've done like a lot of different looks lately on my channel, so please go check my channel out, check all the videos out, especially the ones that I've done in last month. Some of them are like really glam makeup tutorials, so you can actually go and take inspiration from there as well. But this is my final Bollywood style Diwali look of 2020 that I really like, and I've went a little extra because I'm wearing my mom's sari. This look wasn't really about outfit at all. Like, you can literally do this look with anything that you wear, choose colors according to you. But I've made an effort and I've been wearing this sari for like past 2 hours. So please appreciate it and do like my video, and also please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button if you already haven't done it. I upload videos on Wednesday and Sunday. So if you want my notification, then you'll have to click the bell icon next to the red subscribe button so that you get my notification on Wednesday and Sunday, because like I said, that's when I upload videos. And now without any blabbering, let's move on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Good Vibes Vanilla Deep Moisturizing Face Cream. Make sure you also use a face cream or a moisturizer, gel, whatever, but something before you start applying your makeup. So I will just take a little bit of this. Make sure you're going underneath your eyes. Next, I'm going to be using this foundation, which is L'Oreal Paris True Matte Super Blendable Foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm going to take this flat top brush and take my foundation right on the brush, and like you can see, I've only taken like 1 drop of it, which is like very little of the foundation, but we don't really want to overdo our face, just want to correct a little bit. So I'm just using this foundation, and I'm going to go underneath my eye firstly. So whenever I start, I always like to go with a little bit of foundation and then take more and build it up. Okay, so you can see some difference in this eye and this eye. Of course, this looks so much more better and concealed. So I'm going to take little more of the foundation. I'm going to go around my mouth and also underneath my eye. I'm not applying the foundation on the entire face because honestly, where are we going to go with this much coverage? But if you are interested and if you like, you can surely do it. So with whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to go on my forehead, my hairline, also my neck, so that it looks a little even, although we don't really need much because like you can see, the coverage is so sheer. Like, I've not done a lot of foundation, so we don't really need to completely cover our neck area. And now without wasting much time, I'm going to go ahead with this MAC Compact and I'm going to set my face just underneath my eyes because that's where I've applied the foundation. So I'm just going to take some and nicely set the area underneath my eyes. So now you can see that the center of my face is nice and bright, and that's what we wanted. It only took like 1 minute to do this, and this will actually make a great base for your Diwali makeup. Next up, I'm going to move to my face, and I'm just going to do a little bit of bronzing so that the natural shadows are back and the face don't look completely flat. And I'm only going to use this palette today. So this is Makeup Revolution Neutrals Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, an amazing palette. I really love it. Great for beginners, also really affordable, and like you can see, it has literally all shades for blush, for eyeshadow, and even for bronzing. So I'm only going to use this palette for everything today. So for my bronzing, I'm going to take this angular brush today, and I'm going to take this shade, which is slightly dark, but I will work around with it. I'll add the color on the back of my hand so that the color is less saturated, and now I'm just gonna go in circular motions. Gonna pick some more from here. I'm gonna go on my jawline. If you don't want to bronze your face, you can completely skip this step. It's totally up to you. I personally feel that bronzing really adds up to your makeup and makes your makeup look so nice and complete. Okay, so I'm done bronzing up my face, and you can see that there's some difference, although it's not completely stark and like really sculpted. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes, and for the eyes also, like I said, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, the one that I showed right now. And I'm going to use the colors this and this shade. So basically this is like little shimmery glitter shade, and this one I will use as a transition shade. This also matches what I'm wearing, and I feel that this will look great. So first I'm going to take this kind of an eyeshadow blending brush, and I will pick this shade up, which is like really muted pink color, not too bright also. And I'm going to go on my crease, and I'm going to start from the outer part of my eye. And now I'm going to pick up this shade and gonna apply it on my lid. This was super easy, and I'm going to leave it to this. We're not going to do anything except that I'm going to take a kajal this time, and I remember doing my last Diwali look also, and I did do a kajal. So I'm going to use this kajal pencil by Mr. of Milan, and I'm going to nicely apply it. I will smudge this kajal. So for smudging, I'm going to take this tapered brush. You can also do this using your fingers. Just make sure that it doesn't look messy. I'm now going to curl my eyelashes. And I'm going to simply coat them up with the mascara. And I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take my lash curler again, and I will curl my lashes again. And can you see the difference? It completely uplifts your lashes and make it look like you're wearing fake eyelashes. And just to finish it up, I'm again going to take my mascara, and I will coat my lashes one more time, but this time with the thinner side, like the thinner bristle side. Also going to go on my lower lash line. And I'm going to finish my eye look with, of course, my eyebrows. So you can see that eyes are done, and I hope that you find them super simple, like the eye looks super simple, because like literally it didn't take me more than 3 to 4 minutes, to be very honest, and it's gonna not take you more than 3 to 4 minutes because I'm also giving you a tutorial. It's taking me long, otherwise this is a super duper simple eye look. And now we're going to move on to the blush. So for the blush, again, like I said, I'm going to use the same palette. So I'm going to use this palette. There's a lot of pink colors. I'm going to take one as a blush. So for the highlighter, I'm going to take this shade, which is a very pretty champagne shade, and I'm going to go on all the high points of my face, and you know that. So on the tip of my nose, also on the center. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going to take this Maybelline in the shade 660, which is Touch of Spice. So as you can see, I have not completely like coated the lipstick on my lips. I've just like literally applied it very naturally. Just gonna dab the color.